rappers try approaching the omen. My poems will punish your people while I'm up at the podium. Pharaoh folding them like wash clothes again. I'm a vulture when the flow go choke you can. Broke, I leave most of them. Slow, I keep my motion in. Eye on the prize. I silence the wise with lyrics making scientists cry. Making the secret society expose their purpose. Making them unleash info and explode on my surface. I'm taking my time to birth this rap entity earthless. It's showtime, there's no time. Be ready when the curtains split. I'm hurting shit, too powerful for painkillers. On the concrete jungle we walk like trained gorillas. Untamed and my niggas is Kane. Cool G, Rock him, combined into one frame. We like the new mecca of immaculate rappers. Vinny Paz, Carter Goons, now we back with the clappers.
Remain silent, kill him with what I mentally says. Bloody fez, choky like an Indian res. Kamach, animal Turk, sick with a cannibal smirk. Welcome, it's where the murderers lurk. It's my mind to make sure that the sun can work. Scorched bodies, leave all of your gunmen hurt. Pharaoh sultans, create a serious coat jam. And my hand is where the tears of the Pope ran. They stay watching like they keep me on a scope cam. I'm in heaven with the angels.